Hello, readers. Today, we're going to learn a little bit more about our ABCs. Based on our cover, looking at our cover today, what do you think we're going to learn with our ABCs? Why do you think there's a bear and a mouse and a bird? And like this stage? What does that tell you? Great. The title is Astonishing Animal ABC, written by Charles Fuge, published by Scholastic. Let's go ahead and find out how we learn our ABCs. A. Artie Aardvark. B. Bouncing Bear. Oh, wow. C. Cozy Cobra curled up in a comfy chair. D. Dancing Dodo. E. Enormous egg. F. A fat flamingo. Feeling frightened on one leg. G. Girl gorilla. H. And I. Hair on ice. J. Jolly Jackal and his joyful jumping mice. King. King Koala. L. Lions lost. M. Mouse at market asking, what do mammoths eat cost? N. Nasty narwhal. O. Outraged owl. P. Pirate penguin and his panther in the prow. Q. Quite quiet quail. R. Rhinos roar. S. Snoozy sloth needs sleep. Why won't they let him snore? Tortoise training for T. U is for unicorn. V. Vulture visits vet. A Viking vole named Vaughn. W. Worried walrus. X and Y. X-ray yak. And And Z is a zooming. Oh, wow. Z is a zooming. Zaza, Zoza, Ziza, Zack. Whoa. The end. How did you like that, readers? Was that what you thought we were going to be, how we were going to learn the ABCs? Now, are all of the animals they mentioned real animals? No, that's right. The unicorn was not real. And the Zack was not real. Let's go look at it. Unicorns are not real animals on Earth. They're make-believe. And this zooming Zack is not a real animal on Earth either. He is also make-believe. Good job, readers. See you next time.